Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Facebook Pixel. To start, open your browser and go to the Meta Business Suite. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once inside, navigate to your business settings by clicking on the menu icon and selecting Business Settings. In the Business Settings panel, look for the section called Data Sources. Under this, click on Pixels. Here, you will see a list of all the Facebook pixels connected to your account. Select the pixel you want to disable by clicking on its name. Next, look for the Connected Assets tab. This will show you all the assets linked to that pixel, such as ad accounts or business pages. You need to disconnect these assets first to effectively disable the pixel. To disconnect an asset, click on it, then look for the trash icon or an option to remove it. Confirm the removal when prompted. Once all connected assets are removed, your pixel will no longer function. That's all you need to do to disable a Facebook pixel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.